All right, we're going to start with a little trivia question. So, what are the 3 best months of the year to sell your home? When do sellers get the most money for their home? Which months are those? You got it. March, April, and May. So we are on the doorstep of the best time of year for sellers to get top dollar. I'm super excited. We're going to be doing actually a little webinar coming up February 26th at 5:30 p.m. and also on February 28th at 10 a.m. And we're going to be talking about all sorts of programs that we have to get people top dollar, as well as some other unique programs that a lot of you have hopefully told your friends about. We've got a great design to sell program. So if a home has got little bumps and bruises and someone that you know that may not have all the money to put into their home, doing the carpet, the paint, taking care of the bumps and bruises, I actually will front the cost of getting those repairs done. I've got a great handyman that could come in and help with that. I pay that handyman directly, get those costs taken care of. A lot of people have taken advantage of this. I've put in $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 into people's homes to help them get the most money. Also got a great guaranteed sale program. Love to talk to you more about that. Also, some things of what to do, and equally important, what not to do, and why an expert realtor helping you through this process is super important. Some other huge news is that we are Zillow Premier Agents. We're able to showcase your listing or someone that you know that maybe didn't get their home sold last year. Marketing matters. And being a Zillow Premier Agent and being able to showcase your listing does help homes sell for 2% more money. According to Zillow, that's what they're telling me. They've done the studies and they've proven that my listings do sell quicker and for more money. So we'd love to talk to you more about that. Would love to see you on either Thursday evening on the 26th or Saturday morning on the 28th. And looking forward to discuss more about how I could help you, or if you can refer a friend, let them know about the webinar. If you know someone who's been thinking about putting their home on the market, had their home on the market and failed to sell, I would love the opportunity to let them know why we are able to sell homes for more money in a short amount of time. So looking forward to it, and thanks for all your referrals.